Hi viewers, today we are going to check how we can get system specification details by following three types of process or approach. Let's begin with first flow. In the bottom of your screen, we can able to see the Windows icon. Click on that, then few details appear. Click on settings logo. We are now navigated to setting page. Woof. Here we can see few details, but we should focus on system stamp. Click on system logo, which navigates to another page where all the details related to system settings come out. Do the scroll down on your left hand side. On rear end, about logo is available. Click on that. Yeah, we observed a detailed page related to device and Windows specification. On device specification, we can see the device name, the processor details, install RAM, device ID, product ID, system type, whether it is 32-bit system or 64-bit system, okay, or that is operating system, and pen and touch. If your Windows it's your screen need touchpad, you can get this thing. Okay, now go to Windows specification. What is the edition, what is the version, and when it is installed, all the details are available here. As we can't copy entire details with one shot, for this copy button is available over here for both. Click on copy button of device specification, open the notepad in your system and simply paste. Oof. Now all the details you have. Okay, now go to the Windows specification, click on the copy button and paste here. If someone asked you to send your system details in this way, in this approach, you can get the details and send them. Okay, now this is the first approach. I hope it is going to be very helpful for you. Let's move for the second flow or second approach. On your keyboard, search Windows key and click right off settings and press enter. As per the first process, click on system logo, which navigates to system details. Okay, scroll down and click about logo. Yeah, on the course of the action, we are on the specification page. So this is the second approach. Now let's begin with third or final mechanism. Let's hunt Windows key and pop. Control, now type control panel, click enter. Yeah, we are navigated to control panel page. As per your accessibility, change to large small icon. Now hunt out system logo. Okay, where is system? Hey, yeah, here the Mr. Hero is sitting. Click and pop. Oof, we have our demanded page. So these are three approaches. Hope it is helpful for you. If you like, please share and subscribe and give the comments. Take care. Bye bye, the viewers.